Word processor, mail merge. Suppose there are 39 students in a class and the teacher wants to invite their parents for a function. So, will the teacher have to type 39 different letters? Surely not. She will be using the mail merge feature of MS Word. Mail merge. Mail merge is a feature on word processing application software that enables users to develop personalized letters, greeting cards, and other communication with names and addresses stored in a database. It is very easy to proofread a single letter, which is then used as the template for many others. In addition, when the template has been created, it can be saved and used again in the future. First, the computer user creates a database of various field names of the desired addressees and then writes the letter linking it to the database. Next, the user employs a query to find a set of people who are targeted to receive a copy of the letter. The mail merge wizard then prompts the user to enter the appropriate details of each addressee. The wizard finalizes the process by taking data from the prepared database and produces a copy of the letter for each person in the database. The only disadvantage is that letters can lack a certain level of personal engagement. Advantages. One standard letter can be written and sent to all customers without having to manually add each name and address. The letter can be personalized. It looks as though the letter has been written to the individual person. It's a very fast way to produce hundreds of personalized letters. Disadvantages. Letters can lack the personal touch. The database that provides the information for the mail merge letter must be kept up to date if it is going to be useful. No more. Mail merge can be used to address letters to a number of people at time. Thus, it saves our time. Apply mail merge feature to generate document. Organizations communicate with customers throughout their day-to-day operations. Communication can take different forms: welcome letters, special announcements, thank you emails, and invoices, to name just a few. The mail merge feature in Word can help organizations produce various forms of written communication more efficiently. With the mail merge process, your organization can create a batch of personalized letters or emails to send to your professional contacts. Each letter or email can include both standard and custom content. You can choose, for example, to greet each recipient by their first name, use their mailing address, or add unique information like a membership number. All the information you use to customize the letter or email is taken from entries in your data source, which can be a mailing list. With the combination of your letter or email and a mailing list, you can create a mail merge document that sends out bulk mail to specific people or to all people on your mailing list. You can also create and print mailing labels and envelopes by using mail merge. Components of mail merge. There are 3 components of a mail merge document: main document, data source, merged document. Main document can be used for storing the information that remains same for different letters. The main part of the main document is the merge field, which is used to add actual data from the data source. The name and address that changes in every letter is inserted in the data source that contains variable fields, which are later on inserted in the merged documents. When the main document is merged with the data source, creates a third document called as the merged document that is said to be a combination of main document and the data source. How to create the main document? To create the main document, follow these steps. Firstly, open the MS Word and type your desired letter. Start by selecting the Mailing tab and then select the Start Mail Merge option in the Start Mail Merge group. Now proceed by selecting Step-by-Step Mail Merge Wizard tab. After selecting the above option, a Mail Merge task pane appears in the right of the document window. Proceed by clicking the Select Letters option. Then select the next starting document. After this, you will be asked to select the document for which you will like to use the Mail Merge feature of the MS Word. If you already have the document open, you can proceed by selecting Use the current document option. Next, click on the Select Recipients option. Creating the data source. Now, you are supposed to select the recipients for your letter or document. Since the data source is being created for the first time, select the Type a New List option. Next, click on Create. Enter the address information in the New Address List dialog box. The details for the recipients are to be added in the text boxes. To enter the details of the next recipient, proceed by clicking on New Entry. To finish, click on OK. After this, the Save dialog box will appear. Now enter the name you want to give to your data source and then click on Save. Now the Mail Merge Recipients window includes the details of the recipients entered by you. By selecting the checkbox against the recipients, add the desired recipients to the main document. To close the window, click on OK. Now, to write your letter, click on Next, Write on your letter. Merging the main document and the data source. If the letter has not been already typed by you, it can be typed now. Click the desired place where the recipient details should appear. Next, select the address block. Now, choose the format in which you would like the recipient name to appear. Finish by clicking the OK button. At the cursor position, the address block appears. To view and print the merged document, select the Next Preview Your Letters option. The name of the first recipient selected by you appears in the document. To go through all the letters that have been merged, proceed by clicking on the arrows under Preview Your Letters. To fully complete the merge, select the Next Complete the Merge. To take the printout of letters, click on Print.